Stellar Converter for OST Technician helps you to convert OST file to PST file format. Efficient software supports all Outlook versions and can convert all OST file components easily. Free download now and take trial of the software to convert OST file and extract all mailbox components. Let's understand how does the software work. On the main interface, select the OST file using Browse option. If file location is unknown, then you can search into particular drive. Click Convert to start the conversion process. This process will take some time depending on the size of your OST file. In a QuickTime, the software converts all the components and shows the preview of data. You can click left panel options, let's say Inbox and Contacts, Calendars for detailed view. As an additional benefit, deleted emails are highlighted in red. You can convert a specific folder or the entire OST file as per your requirement. Click Save Converted File. It will show several saving options like PST, MSG, EML, RTF, HTML, PDF, DBX, MBOX. You can also export to Live Exchange Server, Office 365, and can also export to existing Outlook profile. When you are saving to PST, you can also save PST file normally, can compact and save the PST file. This option will be helpful to compress the PST file and decrease the size. You can also split and filter the PST file as per your requirement. Select this option if you don't want to save converted deleted items. Let's select PST file saving option. Browse the location and click OK. Here you can see the status of PST file saving process. This message confirms that the file is successfully converted. You can see PST file saved at your selected location. Let's check and preview our converted PST mailbox data. For this, import the PST file in Microsoft Outlook to access your mailbox data. Here are the steps. You need to open Outlook. Click on File button. Select Open and Export. Then click Import Export option. Now select Import from another program or file option. Then click on Next. Now select PST file option. Browse the file and select the following options as per your need. Then click to Next. Amazing! Now you can view all the converted PST file data, which was converted from OST file. That's it. Download the software and convert your OST file now.